ni Weru TV.
Katheshe mwenye munono ntuba kuona kanya gakwatanira batu Nteto chia Weru Thaa Mugwanja chie tariki 15 mweri wa 5 mwaka 2025 mbeto wa WINNIE wa Kinyeru. Tukiambĩrĩria ni ati ura wari munini wa rais wa nthĩũrũ ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua na arũrĩte kĩama kĩawe kĩerũ kĩa gĩsiasa akĩra nĩndĩkĩ wĩtwa DCP na ranwe watongeria kĩama kĩ na munini wa kĩama kĩ ayũra wari Senator wa kaunti ya Kakamega Cleophas Malala hamwe nabo ura wari Minister wa Ndethia Mithika Linturi na thuri kĩamenekie ya mwandiki munene Mubangania.
Economic and political problems we face today as a people, that the future of this great nation, economically and politically, history will be kind to us for taking a bold move, a conducive environment for peace, justice, and speedy restoration of development, respect for the rule of law and human rights. It is time for liberation of our beloved country. It is time for our nation to take off socially, economically, and politically. History will be kind to us for taking a bold move to listening to each other. Kenyans have told us boldly to form a political party that will form an inclusive and a listening government, a government for the people, by the people. Consequently, we took the challenge to a cause that many Kenyans believe in. I made a promise to you that in the month of May 2025, I would unveil a new political party whose philosophy resonates with you. As you all know, I'm a truthful man and an honest man. I keep my word and my promises. I detest lies, and that is why I disagreed with the liar number one. We finally have a political party that belongs to all of us, where every Kenyan is treated equally. Our new party is Democracy for the Citizens Party. Our party slogan is Sikiza wa Kenya. But if Kenyans want, they can always interchange it with Sikiza ground. Our party symbol is a listening ear. So, tukisema DCP, unasema Sikiza ground? DCP? DCP? Ama Sikiza ground? DCP? 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 Tuko hapo. Our party colors are neon green, brown, and white. We believe as a party every Kenyan must be listened to by their leaders. This listening must not just be listening for the sake of it. It must be deliberate. It must be planned. It must have a purpose, and it must be sustainable. At no one given time in our leadership shall Kenyan be left behind or remain unheard. As the party leader of the Democracy for the Citizens Party, I commit that I will listen to the people of the Republic of Kenya and live to their aspirations. As you all know, I have been a people's person. listening to every voice, especially those in the deepest corner of our villages. The Democracy for the Citizens Party is not just an ordinary party, but a political ideology and philosophy for every Kenyan, irrespective of their faith, creed, age, tribe, or color. The Democracy for the Citizens Party serves as the biggest political movement of our time in Kenya since 1963. Under the guidance of the party's National Executive Council, I'll spend the next 2 years with the people of the Republic of Kenya, traveling to every corner of our country, to every village, listening to the people, to build one of the most formidable political movements since independence.
Tugitambere ni ati ya biashara bamwe ba kuma Ntere Chiankobe bakathete talera bamwe ba tongere ba kuma kaunti ya Meru kwithira bagita wa Munyoro bakiwa kakaita kara ya kaunti ya Meru nithirite eteaniletwe kiweti na mbere ithirikari ira ikuo kaiteneka ya Rais William Ruto kaiteneka wiba meniretie ura wari ngavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kiraitu Murongi bakiwa na kunyanire munini owe Titus Tochina kwithira agikubiria nkwe thirikarine.
Ni bamwe ba biashara kuma Nkubu baraba shumeretie kugana kugwata mbaru ikundi biria bigweta kwa Munyoro kugwatania ura wa RDP Rigathi Gachagua baumite Meru mono ura wa DG wa Meru Titus Tocho bakiuga thirikari Rais William Ruto ni utatira tongeria taba baada bari na kadhalika kutethia Meru na ko bariuga tongeria taba bari na rutha gweta kiri murengo jonge
support antu bonde baraba gweta kwa Munyoro kana antu baba gweta kwa Gachagua. For example ntuko ithiria je tokona Kenya antu chonetre na delegation yewe areta nara wa Munyoro, so inkugatire ingo support ithia leu nonto nara muntu akorecognizwa abati gweta
kwa batwe ito support antu bonde baraba retero wa Munyoro janto chia tongeretie nonto ntukwira Kiraitu ari State House tochio arumere kona ke breaking news kwa tweka Kiraitu watu consult tochio ageta State House kinya tochio na batikuthana wa muzi boe gweta wa Munyoro
ijo Kameru kwenda ikuuriria kiririga cio tongere wa Kenya na ikekwa gakonene kagita karea tuguchwa maendeleo ya kaura so ninkuga antu bara konda ibate bageta wa Munyoro ibatiga kurigerwa ibeta wa Munyoro wangaginya Ruto na Meru kaunti niteta kura chiomba komirungamira
kingia biashara baba ruga rutero Mount Kenya East ne rurigetie na mirandia weti na mbere kinya kwithira ni bobare na munini wa mutongi wa mugongo kithure kindike
Meru kaunti nitiga kumbwa konene kagita kana tukura tuna deputy president nene ya Mount Kenya East naweza kurithira Mount Kenya East na ro no enyuma kire maendeleo jonde charaja kuthiwa nene ya Kenya yetu kwa njumura ugeta kutega Ntero cia Western marabara chinarua chia kaiko kono watagutaga Ntero cia Western ithima kabikwenya na thigia kairwa lakini ndene Meru county gote project kinyema gweta na mbere so ningo support wa Munyoro anto bendere gweta no mwanga anto bari choko ina bare na batige go support muntu agachoka kwa ribo
na mirandi mingi iraruto bara unchete na Gachagua mbere bathukania na Gachagua na umire kiri thirikari na ndeta hizi ntakuona kaigwatire kakuga kira gito mito tukona development nonto Gachagua na ebere so itobati kuona development nonto ara wana origeretie so for now itokwenda kuona manto jonde kana andi jonde iria Mumeru ekirwe tikiomba gutimizwa
muthiene ya biashara baba riuga Meru niendete Rigathi Gachagua bunene na bakiuga kaunti na eje nore na namba nyingi na kwa unatige kuthua na bakiuria Gachagua nethira akimenya na gwati ugeni magita jonde aja Meru
Meru ibendete Gachagua uninko menya kinyanto mamwambe thirikari na bageka muchemanio tha ibe thirikari ne na Gachagua ageka jwa wejo Gachagua jona ntu baba inge muno so tukahirania Gachagua antu iba mwendete Meru Gachagua na numbers Gachagua antu iba komba kumwenda na ndi ukageta uga Gachagua atengi roundine antu iba ijou
Gachagua kwa Meru itoko mwenda mono na batu ando bandi saberete ba Meru itomo karibisa bwega na karibu sana
Mankubu gicigo mbungi kia Southiment nke reportera Tito cia Weru riakwa rietwa ni Mutunge Kare
Tugitambere ni ati ndamu ya Kiambere iranio nene ni uyuri na kunuka na rani ndia kari barabatura kwe na damwe bara muno ibagarisa na inyata na river bewatini bwa kwithira abakiliani roi rura tayari rwambiriretie kwithira roi baunukira nindi bakurwa kwithira bakithama na wetantere irachie egoro.
Andu aria maturaga mwena wa itherero wa the 7Th Dams thiini wa kaunti cia Garissa na Tana River vakuvi na Nyunji ni maraurwo kuthamira kundu gukiriru niguo matikethirwe ni mwisoro wa mai. Ino ni vuva ya ndemu ino gwicura nginyagia ire ya Kiambere iria niyo nene muno na ya mwiso. Ino ni kulingana na MD wa Kengen niwe Engineer Peter Njenga.
Kiambere Dam experiences natural overflow. So Kiambere, which is the last dam on the cascade, started spilling yesterday. Overflow may lead to a significant increase in river flows and may pose a flood risk. We therefore urge communities living downstream to move to higher ground and avoid the river banks.
Mwenari wake PS wa Energy niwe Alex Wachira ni urauga thirikari nene iri na muvango wa kuongerera urasa wa ruthingo rwa ndemu ya Masinga niguo ipiria wauguo kuri na muvango wa kuongerera ndemu cienge iria igakuaga mai mengi makiria niguo kurigiriria mwisoro wa mai mwena wa itherero.
We are having a communication, we are having a discussion on, and we have already done the some studies. We want to see for us to store this water for a longer time, because you know one of our cheapest sources of power is hydro. So we need to store this water for a longer period of time. So we are having a discussion with development partners and TARDA and intergovernment agency, how we can raise where we are standing today by another 1.5 meters. That will allow us to hold this water for longer. And secondly, it will also hold more water and avoid disaster downstream. And lastly is we are still focused on ensuring that we build the High Grand Falls Dam, because that dam is very essential. It will give the country much needed power and hydropower, and also help us control flooding.
Guku nake Liban Roba uria niwe MD wa Tarda aria niyo marugamagirira ndemu ino akiuga cionthe ni mbega na gutire ugwati wa guonthe ungionekana ati tondu ni mbicuru muno.
Tarda is to assure the general public that the dam is safe. In fact, as one government approach together with the Ministry of Asals and Regional Development in partnership with the Ministry of Energy, together with Kengen and Tarda, we have regularly conducted assessments, and the regulatory body that is in charge of inspections has issued a clean bill of health for Masinga Dam as well as Kiambere Dam.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Kathasha mwanya muno kewe Rita Mwaniki na kewe mutayari kwithira witete mbere na kuromeira ndeto cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja ugeta kuria itucokirete na ndeto nkuluki.
Ingo kugwata ogeni tukweje narwe tukiburugaira irio biria tukuburugira narwe na irio bitagwa beef goulash ronjirwe tunante rugaruke muchere wetu turaipa boiled this clean chumbe na bata kiasi na tumaguta kiasi, tuikire nyanya, tucoke tujukie ikwashe biria tukubrawna na byo tubiekere. It's a beef goulash, very tasty. Ukanjo irio byaku bikario tasty, nicely done.
So jano mwaka yakwe ni anto babo bairi kwambiria kwanja kunthe ukeja wake kagaru kana kanyomba waga kana nde no mwaka anto bairi bakuruke nyombe una babo bethera beka umukanja ikauma nja igeta ikanenea ikamwiriga mwakuru imutuguri na mbwire na mugambo jwa kimonimoni ni wife na mugambo jwa Kiswahili ni mke te bibi mke bibi ni ajusa kana mwakuru mukuru no yitwa bibi kuri anto beta second wife gake Ikemero ukathigira na mwekuru uria ogoria ro baire ni abagu anto bara baingi na bamwita gake lakini liitwa reo ngore gake ni anti.
Mero bwe tayari Jumamosi tariki 17 kampuni yokinyaniriria retongeretie Kenya Safaricom bagotanite na Weru TV na Weru FM ibakoreterete murumo hatari gutigira twinde turi na thimu injeru chekinande kenda tutatigiro nyuma nentu kwikethro yujuri mwago rwimbo gikeno na mwega jama ingi kuma wa Safaricom njo uwatane na njoro cha Weru TV na Weru FM mwago ne juju ja MC Dash, Empress Rita, Captain Godi the Patron, Mwenda H the Pilot na DJ Denny njo ukenera mwago juju Safaricom uchokeria ukiria mutorera jwaku na endo bwaku amuna kuigwatira iye wankabo kuma wa Safaricom na bwagitumi buru njo uwatanire natwe ukienanire natwe na kinya umenye ni kinuntu Safaricom bagutwira maisha pwani digital rikana ni Jumamosi eti tariki 17 ara stage ya Saskis kuambira thainya charukire ugakurukirwa Safaricom, simple, transparent, honest for you.
Gakwa togeni orengi na nkatho cia mwanya muno no ntuba kwithira witite mbere na kurumira Nteto cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja twicokirani ati akariba kuma ntere cia Ruire wa dini ya Ruire rwarere bakuthetani utabarikia kwa mathina yaraba okulukira yario wa cia Rue barabara na inya kulazimika kwithira bageta ngendo indaye bokenda kwithira bakiamukira kana bechwa utungata bokima bamwire oninya nyuma yatongira bo kwithira baikirite mawirane kathomba bariwa ugima bo bamwire boyo watine nonto cibitari cia thirikari tiona ndawa onto bukulazimithia babaingi kwithira bageta mwanka kaunti ya Meru cibitari nene kanenye isiolo kwithira baichwa utungata irombario ikiengavana wa Meru mutumanto ethingia kwithira yukumira obatungatira ithina kathomba irachietete na mbere na kwithira chibatikite.
Akariba njuruta na muthuro munene baumirite kumeneria thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru amwe na thirikari nene ikiraba kugani bateyanirite muno kimaendeleo araba kutheti wagibu wa stima Ruye amwe na wagibu wa ndawa kiri cibitari cio cia maturo ntuburaba kugithina bakuria utheri na bari na atongoria
naja tore rutere rwa njuruta utestima twina cio na ikinginya bia wira miaka nenda rundi mwanka thainya thimu tutona bio chanja tomba kwari kinya ndeu njebo mbere ndeu mbotaunini au kinyana bate kuthithia omwaki bara baingi arimo betindo bachokinjira nonto mwana ate onere bio kobuethia nini bio kobuethia omwaki mbara bagura mauta kinya maguta yango totekinya ele ya kuwatia ntandekera ende MP tuigerwa kiao
njuruta dispensary kuna transformer anto bara be within area eu patathimirwa stima na ito kuigwa nangi bakuthimirwa jakonyo iba kuthimirwa stima inde batu transformer tu enau na tutekuweja kuthimirwa batu itweta kilomita 1 guchwa ruji no nturuji rwa tukuya ruiru no ngaruji rwa sepa na tweta au kilomita 1 tukiona ruji
tubana yantu baere antu barasta ana beto bara marasta tiku ikwenda utinyosi kuma gweta ruire ichiringi 200 koje 200 bitata kwa nyondo chiringi bepte
to ba tu na ngogi nyingi otu beto tugita twinenya tunduka twakakite ija na ugo tumba kwa twinenya cito itaera ngogi
na ndoje najo teroje twena ruo mwanka thaito tarita ndoje mikongo
mama maburu mtojo kabisa ipanandro ibwaga nonto ito konywa cio lakini jau jange ciojorerio rato kuigua ende ipanando watu ana no kue icho twaja wanau au wange wethera inge ibwaga tonga toka uga family planning ne bui uate abuere ake bonerie nabo bathithio gwa kwena sare
ndi mto mwethe buru lakini nyoke thoi na kasaruni gaku otitethie no ntote stima anto ni ubarira thina biongo mitundu twene indi ethwa nambi
indi romba ria kariba bakire atongoria babaririkane bathirie thini no bagukurukira bakareta antu barabangi
kuna ndi koro mathikare kuna ndi ni utegere muno mantu ne stima mantu ne aroje
ibambirie kumenya dispensary njuru tanare gaita roje no ntu itwije dispensary gwekeja kuona roje antu barabe within area no ntu ne kwenda thine roje ba kuona roje ni nkuromba county u na national
aki watuke otegera project ira ne chicha stima na gwikira kwena ndegura akigwata sijui nde wancho ribona gwikira ona ndan ko muromba bulona je gitio MP wetu na utegere agu no ntu nangi na gwikira lakini atukoromba watu na utetheria agu katikati au no ntu tiki katikati akario karaini ndunjo mananjiro tatu atigatigati au ko watu wana stima mantu yote namba karabwega
turiuga kinye thirwa kawira na retere mutumanu we wikuthai public participation ira twathithietie mantu jara jonthe twakurukitie mantu ja stima twakurukia mantu ja njireu ko bagatutejanĩria itwendere na kwa jange ja kuthithua jara jatejanĩru ibatu itatuthithie public participation ngikenda tuga thina cietu
gavana tokoromba bonene mono neshimarere nene tothikere itorotere rorwa njoro taitumiete mono na katokumia kungwa ekoronda kwera rasta ni irakorere kato gweta kwenjwa na araroire
abetu nyare mabareta baona intumi bakona biefane no nto batabiona ko ituretore stima kuntu guku
kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mburi ngiripotera Weru TV niukambitaga ki Mutegi.
Kathashe mwanya muno kiwe Mutegi ariko na kanya kwatanira batu kindeto cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja kwendera kaita kiana ntuko injia yoyorithani mwepia murungu mwenenya onimbetwa WINNIE wa King'ero.
Eje ni Weru TV.
God can change your life. You can